Ryan Gass here at PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you the field stripping of this Glock 43. Now before we field strip any firearm, we want to double check to make sure the firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, drop the magazine, set it to the side, double check the chamber, make sure it's clear, and we are good to proceed. Now let's move into the field strip. We're going to pull that slide back, we're going to let go. Next we're going to take our thumb, we're going to have it under the ting of the grip, we're going to rip our fingers around the top and squeeze down a little bit and bring that slide back. While the slide is back to the rear like that, we're going to take our thumb and our middle finger, we're going to grab on this takedown lever. It's the same on both sides, all right? We're going to take our thumb and our middle finger and we're going to pull down that piece, we're going to hold it down, and we're going to release the slide forward. Now we're done with the frame when it comes to field stripping. So we're going to set that to the side and we're going to deal with our slide. We're going to take our spring and spring guide, we're going to compress it just a little bit, and we're going to pull it up and out of the firearm. We're going to take our barrel, press it up, pull it up and out of the firearm, and then we have our slide itself. So now we have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, and our frame. From here, the firearm is now field stripped, and you can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. Now let's move back into reassembling the parts of the firearm. We're going to start with the slide, and we're going to drop the barrel in, muzzle first, put it into its place. You'll notice that the barrel sticks out about 1 millimeter or 2. That's perfectly normal. We're going to take our spring and spring guide. You'll notice that there's kind of a longer, fatter end, and there's a shorter, skinnier end. We're going to take the longer, fatter end and insert it into the slide near the muzzle, and we're going to compress that spring on the rear. It's going to get caught in the bottom lugs of that barrel. From here, we're going to go ahead and put this slide right side up. We're going to go ahead and take and insert the rails on the middle, almost middle to the front half of this slide right here. We're going to take those rails and insert them in the cutouts here on the rear bottom portion of the slide. We're going to insert it, we're going to keep it matched up as we pull all the way to the rear and let go. Now we're going to get into function checking the firearm to make sure that we properly put it back together. So we're going to go ahead, point in a safe direction, we're going to go ahead and pull that trigger. Let go, we're going to pull that slide back and let go, and then pull the trigger again. Pull back, let go, and now this time when we pull the trigger, we're going to pull the trigger to the rear, and we're going to hold it to the rear. Holding it to the rear, we're going to go ahead and pull that slide back and let go. We're going to release the trigger until we hear and feel that click, and then we're going to go ahead and pull the trigger again. Hold it to the rear, pull that slide back and let go. Release the trigger until you hear and feel that click again, and then let go of the trigger. Now with this, we have now field stripped and reassembled our Glock 43. For more videos on field stripping various firearms, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at PTPGun.com and hit the notifications bell, as we'll be posting more field stripping videos each and every Friday. If there's particular firearms you'd like to see field stripped on our channel, be sure to hit us in the comments below. Let us know what handgun you have and you would love to see us field strip, and we will get that taken care of for you. Thank you all again. Remember to stay safe, and as always, train, defend, prevail.